Hi! You know how it is. As you excitedly look through your new Stampin' Up! Catalog, you come across a card sample that you just have to case. Well, that's what happened to me. So today, I'm going to demonstrate for you a cased, clean and simple card using the new Sending Smiles stamp set. And if you don't know what cased is, in just a moment, I'll explain. CASE stands for Copy and Share Everything. I'm Shelley Godby, the owner and CEO of Stamping Smiles, and for 21 years I've been teaching others how to create their own hand-stamped smiles. So the Sending Smiles stamp set is from the brand new 2022-2023 Stampin' Up! Catalog that starts May 3rd, 2022. Here's a closer view of the Sending Smiles stamp set and coordinating Sending's dies. And when you order the two of these together using the special bundle item number I have listed right here, you'll save 10% on both. Always look for the bundled savings because it can really add up. Now, I won't be using the dies today in my clean and simple card. I'll be just using the Sending Smiles stamp set. Like I said, I liked the card sample so much. I copied it exactly down to every color. And so the card uses the basic white note cards and envelopes. So they come cut and scored for you, and with the name, include the envelopes. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and fold this using my bone folder. And I just always, if I score it myself or use these, I line it up, then take my bone folder and get a nice sharp crease. Then that's going to lay a lot better for me. Okay, so to make life easier, because there are several steps to this, I'm going to use the Stamparatus. Wow, this is just an incredible tool for that perfect placement. And I have everything set up. And because this is a photopolymer stamp set, I have in here the deluxe foam mat. Okay, so it raises it up a little bit more because with the photopolymer stamps, the clear stamps, you don't have that, the red rubber. So this fills in for that. And so now, normally I don't stamp flat, but I don't want it to go over the edge. So I line this up, take these super strong magnets to hold it in place for me. And I have two plates. And I'll be using both sides, which is really cool that they come out and we can do that. So let me pull this down. So I'm going to start with the sending. And that's what's so cool about this stamp set. You sending either the stamp or they're in the dies and all these different phrases to finish it. And I'll be using smiles across the miles, Stamping Smiles. I just love this. All right. So I'm going to start with the new 2022-2024 in color Starry Sky and pick that up, slide it in, and ink up my sending that's already in the perfect placement. And come over here and press down. So I'm just going to press everywhere, and if I don't do a good job, no big deal, because when I pick it up, I could just lay it down and do it again, but it's just exactly where I want it. This card, isn't it pretty? Isn't that a beautiful blue? So a push, pull in that lip, a little bit stiff because it's brand new, but not as stiff as they used to be, so that's really fantastic. So next, I'm going to do the stems and leaves with the Parakeet Party, another one of the 2022-2024 in colors. There we go. And ink that up. It's looking good. Come over here and stamp. Let's see what I got. Isn't this, you can see how this is going to be so easy for me to do multiples of this. And I'll be making a lot of them this month. All right, so now I'm flipping it over and I have the stamps all lined up. Let's go ahead and close this little push. There we go. That is so nice that they're easier to open now. And then Polish Pink, one of the 2021-2023 in colors for the flowers. See, that's even easier because I've been using it for a while. If you don't have a Stamparatus yet, you really want one. Wow, awesome for that perfect placement, and especially for doing multiples. Let's have a look to see. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. All right, we're going to close that up. You know, on the basic white cardstock, these were the note cards and envelopes I was telling you about. They have a smooth, tight finish for beautiful stamped images. So I'm going to take this out and rotate it because I have the center of my flowers lined up on here, as well as the smiles across the miles. So Mango Melody for the centers. And then Bermuda Bay. So if you were making multiples, would you do all of, say, the sending and keep switching out the paper? Or would you do like I'm doing, in order, one at a time? You have to leave a link under the video and let me know. I'm not getting ink. Oh, yes, I am. I was thinking it was on the other side, so I need to be careful about that. There we go. All right, we'll pick this up. And look at that. Here we go. Let's take this off. And let me set this aside for a second. But I just love it, how easy it's going to be to make multiples of this clean and simple Sending Smiles card. Isn't that fabulous? If you'd like to make my cased Sending Smiles card, all the supplies will be available to order starting May 3rd, 2022 in my online store, www.shopwithshelly.com. When you place your May 2022 Stampin' Up! Order of $50 or more with me, I'm going to send you one of my cased Sending Smiles cards. So on May 3rd, get on over to my online store, www.shopwithshelly.com. I'm Shelley Godbee, teaching you how to create hand-stamped smiles. Thanks for watching.